Welcome to Malibu. This is one of my first checkoffs for the Pacific Coast Highway run. I just wanted to drive through here where all the upper end people live, just to piss them off. Have an old classy rumble through their neighborhood.
Well, if this is it, I'm not impressed. Please.
Well, that's kind of what I'm thinking is, really, this is the upper echelon? That is a really nice view, though. I mean, there's the Pacific Ocean right there on the left. We're just right alongside of it. It's kind of neat. Well, all I can say is I won't be able to watch 2.5 Men with the same mindset. Old Charlie's Malibu beach house. I'm not impressed. I'm sorry, but I'm just not. This is already proven to be a breathtaking ride up through here. It's like being in a whole different world.
Now this is pretty. I have to say, this is pretty.
A lot of people describe this Pacific Coast Highway as a white knuckle ride. Unless it gets worse than it has been, this is a walk in the park. I mean, you gotta pay attention, but it's not bad. You don't have to worry about falling rocks here. They got a chain link fence to protect you. It's that special.
Alrighty then.
That's funny right there. Well, we found a place to camp for the night. It's kind of ugly, but it'll have to do. This is what it looks like. Yeah, not all bad, huh? What do you think, honey? This do?
Great, thank you.
Not too shabby.